Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how native English speakers really talk. Not in textbooks, but in real life. We'll take some very common English sentences and upgrade them to sound more fluent, more natural, and more advanced. Ready to level up your speaking skills? Let's dive right in. Let's start with the basics. If you usually say, "I'm very tired," that's fine, but natives often say, "I'm absolutely exhausted," or "I'm drained. Try it with me, ex-Housestead." Next, "I don't know." We all say, "I don't know," but if you want to sound a bit more refined, try, "I'm not quite sure," or "I'm uncertain at the moment." Now, if you're feeling hungry, instead of just saying, "I'm hungry," you could say, "I could really use a bite," or "I'm starving." But only if you're really hungry. How about when you're very busy? Rather than "I'm very busy," try, "I'm swamped today," or "My schedule is packed." It's what busy people really say. When it's time to sleep, you don't have to always say, "I'm going to sleep." Try, "I'm heading to bed," or "I'm calling it a night." Sounds more natural, right? If you like someone's idea, instead of "That's a good idea," you can say, "That's a brilliant suggestion," or "That's quite insightful." Much more expressive. And if you want to say you like something a lot, go for "I'm really into it," or "I'm quite fond of it." But when you don't like something and want to be polite, say, "It's not really my cup of tea," or "I'm not a fan of it." When you're about to leave, try, "I'm heading out," or "I'm about to take off." To reassure someone politely, skip, "That's not a problem." Instead, say, "No worries at all," or "That's perfectly fine." If someone's very smart, upgrade to "He's incredibly sharp," or "He's brilliant." When you're feeling great, instead of "I'm very happy," say, "I'm over the moon," or "I'm absolutely thrilled." Want to say something's easy? Try, "It's a piece of cake," or "It's a walk in the park." If you want someone to move quickly rather than hurry up, say, "Let's pick up the pace," or "We need to move quickly." Sounds a bit more polite, right? And if you don't understand something, say, "I can't quite grasp that," or "I'm not following you." Now it's your turn. Let's practice 3 together. "I'm tired" becomes "I'm drained." "I don't like it" becomes "It's not my cup of tea." "That's a good idea" becomes "That's quite insightful." Pause the video and say them out loud. These small changes can make a big difference in how natural and fluent you sound in English. So next time you're in a conversation, try 1 or 2 of these upgraded phrases. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a new lesson. See you in the next one.